cannot fuck this up at all.
So I'm going to be teaching you on how to do one-step equations. So let's do an example problem first. So you got x minus 4 equals, let's do 40. So first what you need to do is you need to isolate the x, which means you need the x by itself on one side of the equal sign. So first what you need to do is you need to add 4 to both sides because you need it to be balanced, or otherwise you're not going to get the correct answer. So then you go down. Now you have x equals 44. Yeah, this is pretty simple. X equals 44. Let's continue. So now if you have 2x, let's say 2x minus 8 equals the random number 32. So if we have 2x plus 8 equals 32, we need to isolate the x. If there's multiple x's, it's fine. If you have 2x, you just need to keep the 2x on one side. I usually like to go for the left side. So if we now have 2x, this is supposed to be addition, so I'm going to redo that. 2x plus 8 equals 32. And now you go to, and so what you do is you would subtract 8 from both sides. And now you have 2x equals, that would be 26. Yeah, 26. 2x equals 26. And so now you have to divide the 2 by 2 and then 26 by 2. So 26 divided by 2 equals 13. So that means x equals 13. Not the best lines. I can still see it though, surprising. Okay. And so the most common mistakes that are made usually in one-step equations are people forget either to isolate the x and they can't solve the problem at all. And then, because if I were to if I didn't isolate the x by, say, let's just do this, x minus 2 equals 3 plus 4. X minus 2 plus 3 plus 4. If I don't isolate the x and I just try solving this by itself, it will not work. So now, another most common mistake is by accidentally getting your negatives and positives confused. Say if I were to have like x plus 3 equals 4. So now if I were to subtract the 3 and subtract that, people would most commonly accidentally just put this as 1. So they would put x plus 3 equals 1. So that is wrong because it's supposed to be x, no, not x plus 3, there's not supposed to be a 3 here. So it's supposed to be x equals 1, negative 1, not x plus 1. So even if it did that, it's still wrong no matter what to your teacher. Yeah. It's been one-step equations. Fluke.